In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. 91 kilometers of top heat gas pipeline inside Afghanistan. The chairman of the Commission for Contact with Afghan Personalities reaffirms safe return to the country. And this toll from Venezuela earthquake rises to 920 individuals. Welcome to the news package. It's Saturday, the 11th of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 6th of Saratan 1405, and the 26th of June 2026. The news details. Maulvi Zabiullah Mujahidi, spokesperson for the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, is stated that major construction work on Tabi gas pipeline project is progressing rapidly. According to His Highness, approximately 130 kilometers of the pipeline route have so far been prepared, while pipeline installation has been completed along 91 kilometers of the route. His Excellency further added that the distance from Turkmenistan border to Herat Industrial Park is 153 kilometers, and the pipeline will extend along this corridor. Sheikh Shahabuddin Delawad, the chairman of the Commission for the Contact with Afghan Personalities, stated during a press conference that an Islamic system under the leadership of a single Amir governs Afghanistan, and that no one is permitted to disobey his authority. Maulvi Delawad further emphasized that under the Commission's legal framework, no individual is allowed to create obstacles or difficulties for Afghan personalities who have returned to the country. The news continuation. Ashura commemorations marking the 10th of Muharram were held peacefully across various provinces of Afghanistan in secure and reassuring atmosphere. According to officials, security institutions had implemented comprehensive security measures well in advance. With the cooperation of public, the ceremonies concluded successfully without any security-related incidents. And ultimately, based on Reuters, the death toll from the series of devastating earthquake in Venezuela has risen to 920, while the number of injured has reached 3,360 fellows. The report further stated that 172 people remain trapped beneath the rubble, and approximately 50,000 people have been reported missing as rescue and recovery operations continue. That concludes today's short news bulletin. Thank you for joining Urooj Research and Broadcasting channel. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.